Hi everyone, it's Sunday. I am a sound healing alchemist, and today we are going to be doing our card pulls from the Archangel Power Tarot cards deck. So this is a deck by R.Valentine, and it's definitely a tarot deck. And I am just going into the energy, and a card did come out. It just dropped in between the floor, and it is the Six of Michael. And the card reads, "It's the light at the end of the tunnel. Breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans. Relocation or travel." So in this tarot deck, you're going to have the representation of the archangels and the major arcana cards. And then in the minor cards, you're going to have just so you're aware, you're going to have Gabriel, Raphael, Michael, and Ariel as the minor arcana cards here. And we're looking at the Six of Michael. Here we go, is the reading of the card. You're on your way to happier times. The situation that had you feeling stressed and worried is now behind you. A new day is dawning with sunny skies on the horizon. Embrace the changes and leave the past behind. You can now breathe a sigh of relief and begin to make new plans. Don't be afraid to ask for help in implementing the changes you desire. Some of the additional meanings of the card are seeing things objectively, becoming more positive, relocation, travel. So that's very cool. And if you are listening to the replay, I would definitely love to hear if this card pull is relevant for you. And now we are going to move into the sound part of the session. So if there is any discomfort or negativity in your system right now, we can use the sound to alleviate some of that stress. And so I will say before we begin the sound that if you are operating heavy machinery or driving a car, please listen to the sound later. If you have a pacemaker, please do not listen to the sound because it will adjust your pacemaker. It's been found through research that sound does have an effect on the pacemaker in the body. And if you're pregnant, see your doctor and obstetrician and get their opinion on sound therapy while you're pregnant before doing any of this. And we'll get started. So if you want to sit back and relax and taking some deep breaths, which again I will say is breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and then release your breath for a count of 6. And to do 3 of these breaths, and then start breathing at your own pace. But we want to use the deep breath to also bring us into a meditative state and to allow for easing in the beginning along with the sound. And then after you've taken those 3 deep breaths, we want to bring in the higher self into the heart, Mother Earth into the heart. So sending a grounding cord from your heart down into Mother Earth, into her 5D crystalline core of her heart. So sending this silver threaded grounding cord down into the heart of Mother Earth and bringing her energy into your heart, her love, her light, her energy, the thriving energy, and your guidance, bringing it into the heart and feeling that connection to the Mother. And then bringing in all your teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, elementals, your sound team, your vibration team, your energy team, your light team, your divine spirit council, your galactic teams, and your starseed family to surround you, giving you and providing you with love, light, support, thriving energy, and guidance. And then asking the angels to pour into the crown of your head the golden white light of Source through the crown of your head and going down into your heart. And within your heart, see these three energies now, your higher self energy, Mother Earth's energy, and Source's energy becoming one, becoming a trinity, and allowing this translucent, beautiful trinity energy to be whichever color it turns out to be for you. And allowing that energy to now go into the space behind your navel, which is the neutral zone in your body. And allowing that energy to now go into the neutral zone of your body. And then expanding this neutralized energy now to all the cells of your body. From the toes and soles and heels of your feet and your tiptoes, through the body, through to your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands, your wrists, your elbows, into your fingertips and your fingers and your thumbs and your thumbs tips. Moving this neutral energy up into your neck and into your head, into your face and the back of your head. Seeing it come into the crown chakra above your head and moving through your crown chakra into your third eye chakra, into the throat chakra, to the heart chakra, into your heart chakra, into your solar plexus chakra, into your sacral chakra, and into your root chakra. And as this energy comes through your whole chakra core, feel this neutralized energy just balancing your chakras to move at the proper speed spin in the proper direction for your body. Removing any blocks and allowing your chakras to freely move in the proper direction at the proper speed spin in your neutralized energy of your body. And see this neutralized energy now going out from your heart chakra to all the other chakras in your body, allowing them to now receive this neutralized energy and balancing to the neutral energy, allowing all your chakras to balance at the proper speed spin in the proper direction with this neutralized energy for your body. releasing any blocks, releasing any aches or pains within the body. And then from the heart chakra, sending out this balanced energy, neutralized energy to all your energy bodies, allowing them to receive this neutral energy. And then sending this neutralized energy from your heart chakra to your aura, your auric system, your auric energy field, and your auric container. And bringing in Archangel Michael and asking him to repair any auras, any aura holes, any rips or tears within the aura. Full repair of the aura. And then sending this energy out from the heart chakra into your personal environmental space, from your universal star above your head to the earth star below your feet and 8 feet all around you. Sending this beautiful energy through and to your edges. Allowing your energy to balance to the neutral field in your physical body, your energy bodies, your auric body, and your personal environmental space, your energy field, and your energy container. We can now say, I am aligned, coherent to, and balanced to the neutral zone of my physical body. Through my physical body, my energy body, my auric body, and my auric system, my energy container, and my energy field. I am sovereign in my energy. Feeling that, knowing that, allowing that, surrendering anything that holds you back from that, bringing it in and allowing it to be in your system. Also, building up your boundaries, allowing them to strengthen, asking Michael to come in now and build up your boundaries to your energy. And allowing those boundaries to now be strengthened. Fill in any holes and gaps. And say, I have strong boundaries. Feeling this, being this, allowing this. Choosing this. Choosing to be this new version of self. say thank you to Source. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to our higher selves. Thank you to all our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, elementals, our galactic teams, our energy team, our sound team, our vibration team, our light team, divine spirit council, and our starseed families. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all of these beneficial upgrades into all levels of our awareness for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki. Amen. And so it is. We start coming back into the body. Start wiggling our fingers and our toes. Lightly stretching our upper body to allow for ease and comfort. Taking some deep breaths and breathing in and being in this energy. Allowing ourselves to fully come back into the body and fully be. And when you're ready, open your eyes. So I just wanted to remind you guys that today at 1 p.m. I'll be doing free card readings. The event is on my business page. 22 of our community have said that they're interested. So please remember to click on that link and you will be sent the Zoom link, and then you can come in at 1 p.m. and get a free reading, get a free card, whatever it ends up being. But, you know, this is a safe, protected space, and I'm just holding space and using my intuition, and you can ask for a card or a reading, whatever it ends up being. And I've reserved an hour of time here to spend with you in order to do that. And it's all free. All right. So definitely, please, if you're interested today, and it's 12:22, so it's happening in another 30, 38 minutes or so. So I had to do a little math there. So I also wanted to remind you guys that I do have 15-minute sound sessions for $20, and I have 30-minute sound sessions for $35. And they are available. They are going to be already there on the business page. It is going to be updated so that you can just click on the link and go in and just choose the time and the space. Also the 30-minute free discovery session is also there for you and available if you are interested in discussing how you can use sound as part of your process and self-development. And I have to say, it's done a lot for me, and it's allowed me to actually achieve my goals for what I've wanted to actually do and be in my life. a lot faster. And I will say that in the last 3 years that I've been doing sound and this business, it's just been phenomenal for me to receive sound. I mean, I've been doing this daily. I have instruments, so I do it daily. But for those of you that don't do it daily, why aren't you? And why wouldn't you want to? Um, and especially if you already have a bowl, why aren't you just tapping on it? And why aren't you looking to see what it is you can actually do with this? And if you want to just talk about sound and how you can get started in sound, I mean, we can talk about that as well in the 30-minute discovery session. You know, if you want to start your own pathway into sound, I'm very willing to give you all the information that I had. And I discovered this information through grieving my mother, and her energy led me to the page that offered me such profound healing, that led me to the space and place of finding the classes with the VSA, the Vibrational Sound Association. So if you want to know more, if you want to know how I did it, if you want to know and just discuss and have a conversation, please feel free to do that as well. It's all wonderful. So before we leave today, I will say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimension, and we are disconnected. I am sovereign in my energy, and you are sovereign in yours. And it's my joy to be here daily and to provide and hold space for you during this time that we spend together. It's a safe environment. I want you to know I do all my processes, and I ask for the creation of this safe environment for all of us to be here and to release holistically. So I just want to remind you again that in 34 minutes at 1 p.m., I will be on that Zoom link. So I hope if you really want a free card pull, come on in. If you want a free reading, come on in. Um, and I hope to see you there. All right, guys. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. And I will see you tomorrow.